How do you resize the clock on iPhone lock screen? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe so we can get started. So if I swipe down from the top like this to access the lock screen, which is also the notification panel, I can change the clock size easily. All I have to do is to hold it down on it like this. It should be zoomed out. And when I click on customize at the bottom, you can change plenty of different things like the widgets and so on, but the little time there at the top has a handle in the bottom right corner. So I can grab it like this and literally resize it according to my preference. So I can make it as large as this, which was one of the flagship features of the iOS 26, if you want to call it that way, but that's the way to change the clock and make it look really large. Of course, as a result, the widgets have been pushed to the bottom, but that's fine for a lot of people, and that's how you can have the clock looking really large. Just do not forget to hit the done button at the top like this, and now the clock is really huge. Keep in mind that it's only part of this lock screen, so if I hold down like this and switch to the other one, there the changes do not apply automatically. So it only changes for the one you are currently working with and currently customizing. So I guess it's fine because sometimes you want to have this look, so you keep this lock screen, and if you want to have it larger, you switch to another one, right? So you can quickly jump back and forth if you would want to do that. Also keep in mind that if you make some other changes to the clock, like if you change, for example, the font or something else, it might happen that the clock is not resizable, right? So for example, if I switch to this font, right, I cannot really resize the clock, right? The only option I have to resize is when I choose the default font, which is, I believe, this one. Yeah, the first one is resizable, but the other ones are simply not. So if you cannot change the size, make sure you are in the original font. So yeah, no fonts can really be resized except for the first one, but that's all for me. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think below, and I'm gonna catch you later in a future upload. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.